Creating a subdomain in the AIT control panel. In the Server Management tool, select Domains from the options available. In the Domains panel, select Subdomains. In Subdomain Management, select Add Subdomain and fill out the domain field with the appropriate subdomain name. If the web files you want to reference for this subdomain are in another directory, go ahead and specify that directory in the directory field. Next, click Create Subdomain. A confirmation screen will appear. Click Confirm and Add Account. Your subdomain has now been created. For more information, visit www.ait.com.